How to recover shadow banned Reddit account 2026? In this video, I'll show you how to submit an appeal and request Reddit to review your account. First, open your preferred web browser or Google app on your iPhone or computer. Now, go to the Reddit Help Center. Once the page opens, tap the menu icon in the top right corner if you're using a mobile browser. Next, tap Submit a Request. From the available options, select Account Help. Now, fill out the support form. Enter the email address that's linked to your Reddit account. Make sure it's active so Reddit can contact you. Next, tap the What do you need help with drop-down menu. Choose Account Status. Then, select My account has been wrongly suspended, or the closest option related to your issue. Now enter your Reddit username. Select whether you're able to log into your account or not. In the subject field, type something like, My Reddit account appears to be shadow banned. Then explain your issue clearly in the description. Mention that you believed your account was shadow banned by mistake and politely request Reddit to review your account. If you have screenshots or other evidence, you can upload them using the attachment option to support your request. Once you've completed the form, tap Submit. Reddit's support team will review your request and contact you through the email address you provided. If your account was mistakenly restricted, they'll let you know the outcome after reviewing your appeal. And that's it. That's how you can submit an appeal to remove a shadow ban from your Reddit account. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.